To clone an app on your Samsung Galaxy M17e is easy. You're going to open up Settings, and then you're going to scroll and select Advanced Features. From here, you're going to select Dual Messenger. Then now all you need to do is simply find an available app that is clonable and tap on the toggle next to it to turn it on. Confirm that you wish to install a second copy. Then you'll need to agree to the disclaimer. And then if you have a separate contacts list that you wish to use for that specific copy, you can choose to enable this, or you can just choose to keep your same default contacts list. From there, simply wait for it to be cloned. And then once it's been cloned, you should be able to see the first app and the second app. So here you have the original Snapchat app, and here you have the clone. And you can tell it's the clone because it does have an icon here that signifies cloned app. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.